Hello guys, I'm Ahalin Quez. To tell you in this tutorials how to recover your Gmail password in case you have forgot your Gmail password, in case someone who has stolen your Gmail password, in case someone who has hijacked or hacked your Gmail password. What's the alternative approach to recover or achieve or get it back your Gmail password? Unfortunately, this area has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device. So now we will recover by general method. Yes, this is not possible, or by having the Google Assistance, not possible. So just we will approach alternative option. But this is only for institution purpose. So don't misuse it, guys. We are on a sign in Google browser and we will tap to our next. Now that we can, of course, we don't know password, so tap on a forgot password. We don't know yes password last, so we will try another way. We don't have a phone number, so we will tap we don't have phone number. So now it's essential that I did not provide enough information. So this is a common problem. But here is the option that yes, if your account is managed with the family links, then we will send or Google will contact to the parents to change the password. So in case it's clear, crystal clear that Google will contact you, but you will have to provide alternative email based identity proof on the basis of Google will endorse to justify that and this account is really yours not. This is a first options, but if it is, then of course total estimated time that can be expected more than 48 hours, and then this will be a recover. Second option is also given that more tips to recover there here to recover your account. Try again and each answer is questions on. So by two options we cannot, we will use more tips to recover this account. So just we will cut it from here. That's why I didn't try again. Now we will come the Play Store. In the Play Store you have the one browser, that's Microsoft AI browser. Yes, AI, artificial intelligence we will use here. So just we will pick this and hold this in going the Google's, come in a special app info, then of course we will have to click on a notification, make it off, then we will back and we will come in a permission. In permission we will come in a location, navigate location by making the precise location off, then click here don't allow anyway. So it's the things that you deny this permission, the basic feature of your device may no longer the function as intended for time being. I'm doing it, guys. So just I cut it. Now we will back and one more time we will have to back, and there check it out in that set as a default links in there, make it enable, go for clear 4-5 times, then we will make this off, then we will come on here. We have, as we know, that another browser that is a Chrome, that is also product of Google. It belongs to Google family. So of course we will come on here and tap and do a similar strategy, allowing notification we will have to make off, then yes we will tap on it and once again we will come in a permission. In the permission we will tap on location, tap on it and make it off precise location, click on a don't allow anyway, no longer function as intended, saying so that we will have to back here on this arrow one more time, then we will come in a browser apps. We have options to elect it, then of course we will cut it from here and thereupon tap on this, go in the menu to open, go for manage administrations in this app, browser apps especially. Now here what we will have to, we have to confirm the term and conditions, and thereupon simply we will have to write in a Google co.in, guys. So let's see Google co.in. so just we will pick these ones. Now here we will have options to sign in these ones, so just we will come on here. Now we will type here this ID. So let's see what was that ID. ID was E Eps Joffer @fans gmail.coms. Very simple ID. Yes, that's why it has been maybe stolen. Now just we will go on here, forgot Now here is the last password is asking. We don't know last password, so just we will approach another way. Now here is asking to the phone number. We don't have a phone number, guys, so just we will approach. Now here is more tips to other recover this accounts. We have a more to opportunity that answer as many questions we can. Use a device where we have the sign in before and it was already that family center links and etc etc. More tips to other recover this account. So don't click on here, also try again. We will use this feature but via Google Assistance. Let's cut it from here and response. Now tap on a setting, guys. These all, yes, procedure is a very essential. You will have to step by step, few mistakes and then of course you will be trapped once again to proceed. So now we will come in a special help option. We will pick and now picking off these options. Now what we will do, just we will wait for can't sign into your Gmail accounts. Where is this feature? Here, this one. We will pick this. Now here we have a fourth option. You think someone else is using, forget your user address. These all are, check it out, that what kind of the issues you are having. You can't reset password with code by text and these things. No, just we will pick in these ones. Now here we will have option that is secure these account files. In securing these accounts, we will have options here. See, review your account activities. Tap on it, guys. Then go for find out in these accounts. Now here we have options that see navigation. These things are already done. So now we will pick here these steps to recover this account where it is. Yes, we will come on here. Now here is especially these things. Now we will come here accounts recovery page. Now see another page will be open, guys. Now once again we will have to pick in this ID. Now here is just showing this ID. Then of course we will go for next and let's see. Directly would be here. Now what you say, guys, here? This ID easily has been recovered. Just don't click on a continue, otherwise you would be a trap in its verify option. So just we will click on here that change the password, because you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phone number, so that you can, yes, reset it by tapping on this continue. So just we will go for here. Now see how easily it has been recovered. Right here, new password, confirms new password, and upon go for change it. When we change it, then yes, we will come in a ID there and click on manage your accounts. Manage your Gmail accounts there. We will go in a tap on it, go inside, add the recovery email and recovery phone number in going after security center. So that such kind of the incident won't be happen again, guys. So this is all about on a live screen that we cannot create a new strong password, because we will have to deliver to the viewer, and of course would be in a public domain. So that's why let's me off the screen, and upon of course we will generate and we will deliver. So this is all about in this video tutorial. To know more information, more inquiry, of course drop the query in the comments. It was a pleasure will be mine to reply your query. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.